This is the Xiaomi 12X. Like its Xiaomi 12 counterpart, the Xiaomi 12X is fairly compact and easy to hold in one hand. This is especially helpful for those not interested in the massive phones of today like the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Pixel 6 Pro. At just 176 grams, the phone has just the right amount of heft. Part of that is because the phone is made from aluminium and Gorilla Glass Victus, which makes it feel like a solid slab of metal and glass without making it seem too heavy. There is a camera bump on the back of the device which can make the device wobbly on a table. Thankfully, Xiaomi does offer a clear case in the box, so you can still admire the color and keep your phone flat on a table. One major omission on the 12X is an official IP rating. The phone is splash resistant, but it's probably not a good idea to go for a swim with the phone, as it likely won't survive. For the display, Xiaomi has gone with a 6.28 inches AMOLED display, which is Full HD Plus in resolution, and supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision for video content that supports those standards. Like most Android flagships these days, the 12X's display features a 120Hz refresh rate that is adaptive, and can switch between 60Hz and 120Hz, either automatically or set by the user. The display looks great in most lighting conditions, thanks to its 1100 nits of peak brightness. The screen also features an in-display fingerprint reader that works fairly quickly at unlocking your device. Like its predecessor, the Xiaomi 12X is running Snapdragon 870, which isn't as new and flashy as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 that is in the 12 and 12 Pro. It's also the same chip found in much cheaper phones like the Poco F3 and Moto G100. Depending on the model, the 12X comes with either 8 or 12 GB of RAM, with 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. With the Snapdragon 870, you'll be getting 5G support, along with Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth 5.2. The main camera on the 12X is a 50MP sensor alongside a 13MP ultra-wide and 5MP telemacro. It would have been nice to have a telephoto lens instead of a macro lens, as it's more practical in everyday use. The main lens on the 12X can capture some great photos. When in ideal lighting conditions, the photos from the main lens have vibrant and somewhat punchy colors that really pop. Despite its thin profile, the Xiaomi 12X has a fairly beefy 4500 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 12X was able to easily last a full day, without needing to top up in between the day, even when the display is set to 120Hz and 75 to 80% brightness. Unlike the Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro, the 12X doesn't feature wireless charging. If you do need to charge up, the Xiaomi 12X comes with a 67 watts charger that can charge to 50% in 15 minutes and 90% in 30. On the software side, the Xiaomi 12X is running Android 12 with the company's latest MIUI 13 running on top. There are quite a few pre-installed apps like Facebook, Spotify and a couple of mobile games. For software updates, Xiaomi has previously promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 for security updates. This means you should be able to update your Xiaomi 12X to at least Android 15. The Xiaomi 12X is a good overall device that will catch the eye of a few prospective phone buyers for a number of reasons. First, the device is on the smaller side compared to other flagship smartphones, and despite its price, it looks and feels like a well-made and premium device. While you aren't getting the latest chip from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 870 is still plenty powerful for everyday tasks. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.